Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Lorena Kiana. I'm 45 years old from Philippines. I am married. I have 3 daughters. The ages is 24, 18, and 16. I'm 2 years college graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Doha, Qatar for 2 years. I serve 8 members of the family, 2 adults and 6 children. I also work as a domestic helper in UAE for 2 years, same employer. I do household chores is cleaning, cooking, ironing clothes, washing car, gardening, taking care of pets, taking care of baby and children. I am hardworking, honest, trustworthy, dedicated, and patient, and I'm willing to learn the task you given. If you hired me, I promise to do my duties and to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you needed me. I hope you choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.